Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have something to show you, you guys. I have the best friends. Seriously, you guys. This is friend mail, and it is from my friend Yvonne. You guys, Yvonne, thank you. Thank you so much. She was in my live a Saturday night a while back, a couple weeks ago, and we were talking about paintings and things coming out and what we'd ordered, all that stuff. And I was talking about this painting and how pretty it was and that I did not get it. And she's like, don't get it, don't get it. And I'm like, what? Okay. Well, she goes, no, seriously, don't get it. And I'm like, okay. And she got it for me. You guys, how sweet. She got it for me and she sent it to me. So it was, okay, you can see that it's a Dreamer Designs. I'll get it out of the box. I'm glad I tackled this box off camera because I had to cut and cut and cut. Hang on, I'm gonna put it on the floor. There we go. So this was a pre-order. I know it was a pre-order. I had gotten, look at this box. This hasn't even been opened or anything, but look at it's bulging. The box is bulging out the top. I had ordered a couple of things from them, and one of mine I knew was a pre-order as well, and it took a couple weeks. So she said, as soon as it comes in, I'm sending it to you. I'm like, oh, you are so sweet. And she did. And here it is. So I got my pre-order the other day and then this one. You guys, Yvonne, you're so sweet. Thank you. That's just killing me how bulged it is there. It must be full of stuff, right? It's got to have a lot of drills in it. I think that I have a couple by the same artist now. I think this is one of the artists that I'm really enjoying at Dreamer Designs. It won't even lay flat. I don't even think it's going to come out of the box. I think it's going to be one of those that wants to be stuck in the box, seriously. Okay, let's pull up the handle in case the handle's causing problems. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. That is a bag and a half. Yeah, the artist is, yep, it is. It's Alan Gianna. And this person, Alan, oh my gosh, is doing fantastic stuff. I'm in love with Alan's work. Love it. So let's show you what it is. Ready? This is not a review. This is friend mail, all that. But I'll show you everything anyhow. So if I can get it out, I'll show you their toolkit. Come on. I am an affiliate with Dreamer Designs, and I do have a code to save you some money if you're interested. It's all in the description box, anyhow. Every Dreamer Designs comes with 2 trays, 2 squishies, 2 waxes. Everything has their name on it. It comes with 2 pens. One has a brass tip, one has a plastic tip, tweezers. There's a bag of baggies in here. Oh, and there goes one of the multi-placers. So there's a couple of multi-placers and a straightener as well. So that's what comes in the toolkit. All right. Okay. Let's get this out of here. It all comes in this nice bag. All tied up nicely with a bow. Look at the, wow. Look at the drills. Woo, come on, drills. All right, and then it all comes in this nice bag. And I put mine right back in the bag and put it back in the box. Keep it all nice and neat and all that stuff. All right, here's the drills. Lots of gray colors. All right, let's untie our purple ribbon and let's get into it. Let's see what we got. All right, I had a surprise on the one that I just got, and I'm gonna guess it's on this one too. Poured glue, so we can roll it backwards so it'll lay flat and we can see it in all of its glory. Then I'll talk about why I was talking about this kit in particular and what attracted me to it. I'll tell you in just a second. Okay, as soon as we get everything out of the inside, come on, a little bit more. Okay. There's our information sheet. Here is our labels. All right, there's that. our strip with all of our codes and all that. Okay. All right. Yep. This is just information, all that good stuff, you know. Comes on a foam roller. But this is what I noticed with my last unboxing I just got. This is something new for them. This is all of the symbols, and they used to be solid, and you would have to cut them apart. But look what they've done. They're pre-cut and they peel off individually. Look at that. Ah, it made me so happy when I saw that. 54 colors, 2 ABs. There's all the symbols. I love that. When I saw this, I was like, yay, right? So much easier than having to cut them. Love it, love it, love it. Are you ready to see it? Are you ready? Okay, they're canvas. You know. Okay, here's where we're coming from. We got a bird. I don't know what kind of bird that one is. I don't know. We have a cardinal. I think we have some. That's a blue jay. Can't tell what that one is. I could tell on the picture when I looked at the picture. We got 2 deer, right? We got the nice little cabiny house. All right. So, rose-breasted grosbeak. Gosh, the picture showed up so much better. Let me see if I can look at the picture up here. But it was all these birds, all the birds. There's a cardinal up here. What else do we have? There was, what's this guy down here? I don't know, a little blackbird. He's definitely a rose-breasted grosbeak. He's a cardinal. Blue jay, cardinal, the deer. And then we have this guy up here. And I was not sure at all what that one was. But I just loved this because, like, I mean, all the birds, all these birds, like, come to my house and visit at my house. And then the deer, and I was like, oh, it's so cute. It's called New Friends, right? New Friends. And look at this little bird, this little deer, he's like looking up there like, hey, birdie. He's looking at the birds, and the birds are looking at the deer, and everybody's just all happy, and I loved it. I had not bought it. I mean, I really had wanted to. It looks like we got, is that some birds in the background? They look like geese maybe flying in the background. Yeah, they're like silhouetted, like probably geese, but isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, Yvonne, thank you so much. Look, we're ready for Christmas. We got some evergreens out front with lights on them. We got snow, some berries in the bushes. Just, he shows up really good, that blue jay. He looks really good. I think these are chickadees, not chickadees. Yeah, chickadees. That's what I meant to say. But I just loved it. I just loved it. Yvonne, you're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My goodness. Love the fence and the bird sitting up there. Isn't that cute? All the snow. So this Alan Gianna has done like 4 maybe or 5 like winter pictures. With snow and lighthouses and cabins, and they're just all just beautiful. They're beautiful. Do you want to see the drills? I want to see the drills. We saw that there's a lot of grays. It's a square drill. It says New Friends on the bag. We'll go through them really quick. It's like I said, it's not a review, but, you know, in case you're interested. And it's in stock now, I believe, because they just came in. So look at this. Look at this color. Isn't that pretty, that peach? That's beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty colors. There's our 3371. We can't have a landscape these days without having 3371, right? Browns and greens. Some of the grays are very blue. This is a blue-gray, I guess we'd call it. I call it slate color. Oh, these are all the same. Very light, chocolatey color. Some reds and oranges. Gorgeous. And then we have some more grays. Like these are all the same. Brown, 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 blues, right? I mean, all of this snow I don't think any of it's going to actually be white, right? I think it's all going to have like this bluish gray hue to it. I don't think it's white at all. I mean, I got a painting not too long ago that all the snow was like purple, right? So you can make snow look like snow without having pure white, that's for sure. Look at that. Green, bunch of browns. Oh, look at this. This is a deep, deep, either gray or greenish gray. Lovely. Oh, here's some more grays. Like I said, lots of grays, but they kind of have, a lot of them have like a blue hue to them. So pretty, 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 pretty. I actually have my first Dreamer Designs kitted up, you guys, and I'm starting to work on it. Yeah. So, here's some white. It's an off-white, so it's not a pure white. That is 762. It's kind of like a creamy white. It's the closest thing we're going to have. Well, let me take that back. I mean, that's the closest thing we're going to have to real white, but hang on. Because here's our first AB, which is white. So that is the only white we're going to have, and it's just going to be used for highlights. And then the yellow. Those are our two ABs. Aren't they pretty? A yellow and a white. Nice. Pretty. All right. Any idea where the whites and yellows go? They're O and R. O's are like, they're going to be in the snow, of course. Little bits in the snow. Just kind of little dabs. They're just little dabs here and there. Right? On the edges of the trees here where the snow has fallen. Can you see where I'm pointing? Yeah, right. Just like on the edges. Just where the snow would fall. You know? Any more O's over here? Little bits. Let's see. How about up top? Anything up top? No, ones and twos, ones and twos, ones and twos. All right, where's the R's? Oh my goodness, the R's, that yellow, all up in the chimney. Do, 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 do. The R's are in the chimney, and they're down here too. Down here. R's in here, just little groups of R. And in the window, in the light for the window, yay. So that's going to be AB. This one, all the windows have some of the R. Pretty. And then there's a little bit more yellow right here. Yellow AB on the post right there. Isn't it gorgeous? What do you guys think? Yvonne, you're so sweet. Thank you, Yvonne. Man, I need to do the other one I'm working on because I've already got it started. Otherwise, man, I would be starting this one. There's so many I want to start. I need to stop making videos. What do you think about that? Stop making so many videos and just sit and diamond paint more. Yeah, that probably won't work, right? All right. Thank you, Yvonne. You are so sweet. So, so sweet. Anyhow, thank you. Got a nice glare over there. Oh. Let me know what you think that bird is up in the tree. I don't know. It's not a bird that I'm familiar with. Not one we have around here anyhow. Look at the pine cone. See the pine cones hanging up there? That's cool. Love it. All right. Well, thanks again, Yvonne. You're such a sweetheart. Yeah. Okay. I'm going out. Thank you. Bye, you guys.